Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial of software design. Today I want to teach you how to check your layer. That is introduction to layers, and then let's open our file here. Yes, this is our design folder, and then want to check the layers in this design. Then go on ungroup it, then go to object, click on this object, come to object here, click on it, and then this is our layer tab. This is how our layer tab is. Then this signifies that on page one, which you can come, this is page one, it's here. Then you click down on the drop down menu, that is collapsed. Then you can see the layers in between here. These are the layers on this page in this particular design. Anything you select here automatically select on the object. Click here, you select it. Click from here, you select it. Click here, you select it. Click here, you select it. Sometimes you're having difficulties in selecting a particular object. You just use the layer tab like this. You select it like this. Thank you so much. Then subscribe for more updates.